These sweet and smoky medjool dates stuffed with pistachios, garlic and citrus are sure to be a winner with your guests. This delicious plant-forward recipe can be served as an appetizer, a shared small plate, or a passe d'oeuvre. Let me take you through the recipe. First, we'll prepare the goat cheese, pistachio, and Knorr Ultimate Flavor citrus stuffing. Heat a sauté pan over medium-low heat. Add the oil and garlic and cook until aromatic. Add half of the pistachios and sauté for about 1 more minute. Set this aside to cool. Once the pistachios are cool, add the goat cheese, parsley, chives, mint, and Knorr Professional Intense Flavor Citrus Fresh. The Knorr Professional Intense Flavor Citrus Fresh adds a delicious, bright citrus element to the dish. Season with salt and pepper. Place this mixture in a piping bag. To prepare the dates, remove the pits by splitting open the top and removing the pit. Next, we'll stuff the dates with the goat cheese mixture and top with the remaining pistachios. Place the dates on a lightly oiled baking sheet, stuffing side up. Preheat a smoker over medium lat. Place the date in the smoker for 5 minutes or until the cheese is slightly warm with a hint of smoke. So here's our final plate. Sweet and smoky medjool dates stuffed with pistachios, garlic, and Knorr Professional Intense Flavor citrus stuffing. Enjoyment guaranteed.